Are you struggling to stand out in the crowded online market? The secret to success isn't just marketing, it's niche-specific marketing. The first step, get specific. Instead of selling skincare, position yourself as the go-to brand for eco-friendly skincare for sensitive skin. Who are your ideal customers? What do they need? Use surveys, social media insights, and competitor analysis to refine your messaging. Optimize your website and blogs with niche-specific keywords. Google loves content that directly answers customer queries. Instead of generic ads, run laser-focused campaigns on Facebook and Instagram targeting exactly who needs your product. Turn followers into loyal customers by building a community around your niche. Go live, answer questions, and showcase user-generated content. Niche-specific marketing isn't just a strategy, it's the key to small business success. Want more tips? Follow us and start growing smarter today.